Alright, so today we're going to learn on how to take apart the folding mechanism for a replacement. So what you're going to need, this is the folding mechanism, and you have a 2mm hex screw. There's one on either side and one right underneath. So what you got to do is just loosen these guys up. Put these aside because they're super small, don't lose them. And this one's at a bit of an awkward angle, but you can get it. Alright, and then you're going to take your hex wrench and just poke it through, get the little hinge out, and then just pull it off. Alright, so you have your new replacement folding clip, and to put it back on, you just need to do everything in reverse. So, you want to line everything up with the hole, get that hinge, slide it through. You want to make sure it's centered, so not too far to either side. And then I suggest taking the side ones and tightening these in first so you can make sure everything's smooth, because the bottom one locks the hinge into place. So you want to make sure these guys aren't sticking out. Make it nice and flush. Go to the other side. And you take the black one, which will go back underneath. Alright, and then once you tighten that up, you got your new folding locking mechanism, and you're ready to set. Right on.